I could not hold. Then you came like morning water, falling softly on my pain. Every word you spoke was healing, every smile removed the chain. Now my heart is like a garden where the lonely weeds once grew, and every flower rising is a prayer because of you. Your love blooms like island rain, washing over all my pain. Every drop calls out my name. Your love blooms like island rain. In the sunshine, in the storm, you keep my weary spirit warm. From the mountain to the plain, your love blooms like island rain. When the world gets cold and heavy and the road feels far too long, you remind me Jah is faithful. You remind my soul to sing a song. You are peace beside the river, you are shelter in the night, you are candle in the window, you are my returning light. I hear angels in the palm trees when you whisper close to me, saying love is not a prison, love is where the heart runs free. Your love blooms like island rain, washing over all my pain. Every drop calls out my name. Your love blooms like island rain. In the sunshine, in the storm, you keep my weary spirit warm. From the mountain to the plain, your love blooms like island rain. When the night is dark and thunder shakes the sky, I will not fear the storm. With your hand close to mine, for love that comes from heaven can never fade away. It grows beneath the pressure and rises after rain. Let the river carry every sorrow to the sea. Let forgiveness bloom around us, let our hearts be truly free. I have seen the ocean raging, I have heard the poor man cry, I have watched the proud man stumble when his silver could not buy. But your love is humble water, it does not boast in vain. It just falls upon my spirit like soft and holy island rain. You teach me patience in the waiting, you teach me mercy when I fall. You teach me love is not possession, but a gift from God to all. Your love blooms like island rain, oh, washing over all my pain. Every drop calls out my name. Your love blooms like island rain. Oh, in the sunshine, in the storm, you keep my weary spirit warm. From the mountain to the plain, your love blooms like island rain. Rain down, let the blessing come around. Rain down, love is growing from the ground. Oh, rain down, let the roots go deep and strong. Oh, rain down, Jah has kept us all along. Your love blooms like island rain. Your love blooms like island rain. Your love blooms like island rain. Your love fall like island rain. Ooh, The sea is singing, the breeze is calling. Give thanks to Jah. The evening sun kissed the ocean slow. Golden colors began to glow. You reached your hand and smiled at me, like Jah had written our destiny. No shoes beneath our weary feet, only warm white sand, so soft and sweet. The waves kept time with every sway, as all our worries drifted away. The moon rose high with silver light, covering all the island tonight. Every heartbeat found its place, wrapped forever in your grace. We're dancing barefoot under Caribbean stars. No riches greater than these hearts of ours. The ocean whispers while heaven shines. Just perfect love fills our lives. Dancing barefoot, spirit free, just you, Jah, the sea and me. Every step a grateful prayer. Love is flowing everywhere. Palm trees moving side to side, like they know the changing tide. The reggae rhythm fills the air. Simple joy is everywhere. Your laughter sounds like morning rain, healing every hidden pain. No crown of gold could ever be worth more than your company. We're dancing barefoot under Caribbean stars. No riches greater than these hearts of ours. The ocean whispers while heaven shines. Just perfect love fills our lives. Dancing barefoot, spirit free, just you, Jah, the sea and me. Every step a grateful prayer. Love is flowing everywhere. If tomorrow brings the storm, we'll still keep each other warm. Faith will guide us through the night. Jah will always be our light. Love grows stronger every day, like sunrise chasing dark away. Every blessing that we share started with a humble prayer. When our hair turns silver gray, may our hearts still dance this way, holding hands beside the sea, living in sweet harmony. Children laughing on the shore, hope is growing more and more. Every heartbeat softly says, give Jah thanks for all our days. We're dancing barefoot under Caribbean stars. No riches greater than these hearts of ours. The ocean whispers while heaven shines. Just perfect love fills our lives. Dancing barefoot, spirit free, just you, Jah, the sea and me. Every step a grateful prayer. Love is flowing everywhere. Ooh yeah. Under Caribbean stars, our hearts will never forever free, forever loved beneath Caribbean stars. Yeah. Give thanks to Jah, love that is true never fades away. From the first sunrise we shared, I knew Jah answered every prayer. Your gentle smile became my light, leading me through every night. The wind may change across the sea, but your heart stays close to me. Like the mountains standing tall, your faithful love outlives them all. Many seasons come and go, still our roots continue to grow. Every promise that we made lies beyond the passing days. Sweet reggae promises never fade, built on the love that Jah has made. Through the sunshine, through the rain, our hearts will sing His holy name. Sweet reggae promises never die, like stars that fill the midnight sky. Hand in hand we'll always stay, love grows stronger every day. Money cannot buy this peace, only Jah can grant release. Simple living, grateful hearts, that's where every blessing starts. When the storms begin to rise, I see courage in your eyes. Every trial makes us strong, every tear becomes a song. Yeah. Sweet reggae promises never fade, built on the love that Jah has made. Through the sunshine, through the rain, our hearts will sing His holy name. Sweet reggae promises never die, like stars that fill the midnight sky. Hand in hand we'll always stay, love grows stronger every day. If tomorrow calls our names, we'll walk through every joy and pain. Faith will always lead the way, Jah is with us every day. No shadow lasts forever, no storm can break this chain. Hope keeps blooming in our souls, like flowers after rain. Children laughing in the yard, simple life is our reward. Sharing bread with those in need, living every loving deed. May our footsteps always show kindness everywhere we go. Every heartbeat will proclaim Jah forever stays the same. Sweet reggae promises never fade, built on the love that Jah has made. thanks unto Jah. Some people search the whole world looking for peace. I found mine. I wandered through so many roads, carrying heavy silent loads, searching for a place to stay, praying for a brighter day. Then Jah led me to your light, soft as dawn after the night. One gentle look, one loving smile, made every lonely mile worthwhile. The ocean breeze began to sing, birds took flight on hopeful wings. My weary heart could finally see love was waiting patiently. Not by riches, not by fame, Jah called me gently by my name. In your smile I found the key to the life prepared for me. My soul found home in your smile. You've been my peace all the while, like the sunrise on the sea. Your love set my spirit free. My soul found home at last, leaving every shadow past. Hand in hand through every trial, my soul found home in your smile. Oh, yeah. Every morning starts with grace, heaven shining on your face. Simple words and faithful hands built a love that always stands. When the storm clouds fill the sky, you remind me not to cry. Jah is walking by our side, He will always be our guide. Like the rivers reach the sea, your love keeps surrounding me. Every blessing that I know comes from seeds your heart has sown. My soul found home in your smile. You've been my peace all the while, like the sunrise on the sea. Your love set my spirit free. My soul found home at last, leaving every shadow past. Hand in hand through every trial, my soul found home in your smile. Oh, if tomorrow brings the rain, love will blossom once again. Faith is stronger than our fear. Jah is always drawing near. Every mountain we must climb, every season, every time. We will never walk alone. Jah has made our hearts His own. Children laughing in the breeze, palm trees dancing with such ease. Every sunset softly says, give Jah thanks for all your days. No crown of gold could ever shine brighter than this love of mine. Peace is worth far more than gold, more than stories ever told. So I'll cherish every day as we walk Jah's humble way. Every heartbeat will proclaim love and faith remain the same. My soul found home in your smile. You've been my peace all the while, like the sunrise on the sea. Your love set my spirit free. My soul found home at last, leaving every shadow past. Hand in hand through every trial, my soul found home in your smile. My soul found home in your smile. Blessed by Jah through every mile, forever grateful, forever free. Your love is home. to me. Oh yeah, give thanks unto Jah, where love is true, there is peace. Where Jah is near, there is hope. My soul found home in your smile. Forever, one love, one Jah.
Yeah. One love, one Jah. Listen to the breeze, it remembers every prayer. Morning breaks upon the sea, golden light surrounding me. Everywhere begins to shine as your gentle hand finds mine. The coconut trees sway so slow, moving where the trade winds blow. Every leaf begins to dance, like heaven blessing our romance. The seabirds rise into the sky as another day goes by. Every heartbeat softly claims love is more than spoken names. Jah has written in the breeze, hope is carried through the trees. Every whisper sounds the same, calling out our hearts by name. When the palm trees sing our names, love will never fade away. Every breeze and every flame, Jah will guide us every day. When the palm trees sing our names, stars will light the evening sky. Hand in hand through joy and pain, our faithful love will never die. Simple blessings fill our days, walking in just peaceful ways. No great treasure could compare to the love we always share. When the storms begin to rise, faith is shining in your eyes, like the lighthouse on the shore. Hope keeps calling evermore. Every sunset paints the sea like a gift for you and me. Every color softly says, give Jah thanks for all your days. When the palm trees sing our names, love will never fade away. Every breeze and every flame, Jah will guide us every day. When the palm trees sing our names, stars will light the evening sky. Hand in hand through joy and pain, our faithful love will never die. If tomorrow brings the rain, flowers bloom through every pain. If the night becomes so long, faith will always be our song. Jah is greater than our fear, His strong hand is always near. Every mountain we must climb, He will walk with us through time. Children laughing by the shore, hope is growing more and more. Every smile becomes a seed, planted through each loving deed. Years may quietly pass us by, still our spirits learn to fly.
Every sunrise will proclaim Jah forever stays the same. So we'll dance beneath the moon, knowing morning comes so soon. With grateful hearts we'll always say, love grows stronger every day. When the palm trees sing our names, love will never fade away. Every breeze and every flame, Jah will guide us every day. When the palm trees sing our names, stars will light the evening sky. Hand in hand through joy and pain, our faithful love will never die. When the palm trees sing our names, every prayer becomes a song, blessed by Jah through all our days. Together we will journey on. Hear the breeze, hear the sea, hear the palm trees gently calling. One love, one faith, one Jah. When the palm trees sing our names, our hearts will answer forever.
Oh yeah. Give thanks unto Jah. The sea never stops singing, and true love never stops growing. The morning sun kissed the waves, lighting paths that mercy paved. Every ripple touched the shore, like a promise evermore. You appeared like gentle light, turning darkness into bright. With your hand inside of mine, everything became divine. The ocean carried every fear, leaving only love so near. Jah had written from the start your sweet name upon my heart. Every tide that meets the sand shows the work of Jah's own hand. Every breeze across the sea brings your peaceful soul to me. Forever wrapped in your ocean embrace, I found my hope, I found my place. Like endless waves upon the shore, I love you now and evermore. Forever wrapped in your ocean embrace, surrounded by amazing grace, with Jah beside us every day. Our love will never drift away. Palm trees dancing in the wind sing of where our love begins. Simple moments, quiet skies, joy reflected in your eyes. No great riches could compare to the faithful love we share. Every sunrise seems to say, give Jah thanks for this new day. Through the seasons we remain, standing strong through joy and pain. Every trial makes us see love was born for you and me. Forever wrapped in your ocean embrace, I found my hope, I found my place. Like endless waves up on the shore, I love you now and evermore. Forever wrapped in your ocean embrace, surrounded by amazing are beside us every day. Our love will never drift away. When the storm clouds fill the sky, Jah will hear our every cry. When the winds begin to roar, His peace reaches every shore. Faith will be our guiding flame, yesterday and still the same. Every mountain we must climb, love grows stronger over time. Children laughing by the sea, living in sweet harmony. Every smile a gift of grace, every hug a warm embrace. Years may pass like rolling tides, still our faithful love abides. Every heartbeat will proclaim, Jah forever stays the same. We'll keep walking side by side, with His Spirit as our guide. Every blessing we receive comes from learning to believe. Forever wrapped in your ocean embrace, I found my hope, I found my place. Like endless waves upon